today's video, I am going to talk about Reiki healing. But what is Reiki and how does it work? For some people, Reiki is mysterious, foreign, or just made up. But let me ask you something. When you experience pain, what do? Reality is, we all naturally perform the fundamental essence of Reiki on daily basis. It is inherent, instinctive, and it is there between all of us. When you have headache, a stomachache, or you are hurt by yourself, where do your hands go? You hold your head, cover your tummy, and grab that area with your hands where it hurts, right? And how about with others? When the little one comes to you and show you where they are hurt, what do? You place your hand on the area where they are hurt. You hold them, you hug them, and all these make them feel much better, right? What about expected mother tracing her tummy? A couple holding hand, a handshake, or a pat on the back. We all love this pat on the back, right? Why do you do this? And what is that you are doing? Our body is made up of energy. We exist in a universe of energy. When we are placing our hand to comfort us, we are transferring and focusing energy. In a nutshell, this is the essence of Reiki. Reiki is a transfer of highest healing energy from one being to another. Reiki amplifies, intensifies the power of touch. It promotes balance and harmony to your mind, body, and soul. But is there any scientific explanation about Reiki energy? We all know that electric current flows through the body. Our nervous system is connected to each and every organ of the body. When this electric current flows in, it reaches between all the cells of the body and generates a magnetic field around it. This is called the biomagnetic field. The brain and all other organs have their own biomagnetic field. It is similar to what we call aura. The fields are vibrating at certain frequencies, and all these frequencies have their own natural flow. They interact with each other. At the same time, they interact with the another person's field. That means the biomagnetic field of one person has an effect on a biomagnetic field of another person. On this scientific basis, we can say that the one person has a therapeutic effect on another person, right? When a person is sick, one or more of their organs have an unhealthy biomagnetic frequency. Always keep in mind that illness starts first in a biomagnetic field or aura before developing in a physical body. Dr. John Zimmerman at the University of Colorado School of Medicine, Denver, measured the biomagnetic field of many body parts with an instrument called SQUID, superconducting quantum interference device. Research says that the biomagnetic field of healer's hand have been measured while healing and were found to be much stronger than that of the non-healer. When a Reiki healer places his or her hands on the affected area and begins to heal, the biomagnetic field emitted from the Reiki healer's hands become much stronger than that emitted by the affected area. It induces the healthy frequency into the field of the affected area and healing takes place. While concluding, I must say, Reiki is a natural, simple, and powerful healing technique that anyone can learn to help themselves or for the others. Experience the power of touch. Tap to your life force energy now. Thank you so much for listening to this video. Do learn Reiki. Do experience Reiki.